Hi, I'm Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell. I'm seeing many questions and a lot of misinformation about cases being furthered. I think it's important for people to understand what that means and why sometimes it's a necessary part of the criminal justice system. In the United States, everyone is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law, not on social media. We recently indicted a mother who caused a rollover crash in Phoenix that killed her 9-year-old daughter. The case had to be furthered because we needed a collision analysis and blood work results to determine whether the crash was the result of criminal behavior or a tragic accident. While detectives at DPS were working hard to gather additional evidence, ICE stated that we declined to file charges. That's simply not true. When a prosecutor furthers a case, it doesn't mean we're dropping the case or declining charges. It means we need more investigation to ensure the evidence is strong enough to take to trial. All of this is important not only to get justice and hold people accountable, but also to ensure we uphold the United States Constitution. You know, the 5th and 14th Amendments protect every person from being held by the government without due process. That means the government cannot lock someone up and keep a case hanging over their head without adequate, credible evidence. It's not optional, it's the law. The 4th Amendment also protects everyone from unreasonable seizure, and that includes the seizure of a person, or to put it another way, seizure of freedom. We cannot hold someone in jail indefinitely, hoping evidence will eventually materialize. Not only would that be unfair, but it would also violate fundamental rights. If you are ever accused of a crime, you don't want to be thrown in jail without evidence. And you certainly don't want to be left sitting in a cell because prosecutors acted on assumptions. So the next time you hear that a case is being furthered, don't assume the worst. It means the system is doing what it's supposed to do by following the evidence, protecting your rights, and ensuring that if someone's life is going to be impacted, it's backed by facts, not just suspicion. That's not a broken system. That's due process working exactly as the Founding Fathers intended.